Baked chicken with potatoes. So easy and so delicious, well-balanced dinner. No fancy ingredients. It's a one-pan, comfort, simple meal that is ready in an hour. And if you have a lot of guests, you can just double or triple the recipe. Take 1 onion, chop finely. Peel 6 medium potatoes. Chop into slices. Chop 3 fresh boneless chicken breasts into small pieces. Season with salt. And add some spices. I used ground black pepper and dried basil. But you can change them around to suit your preferences. Mix well. In a small bowl, mix together 3 eggs, 200 milliliters of cream, drizzle with olive oil and spread in the baking pan. Layer the potatoes, season with salt, more olive oil, add onions, place chicken on the tray over the potatoes. Pour the mixture over the chicken. Add remaining onion on top. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius / 390 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, grate 120 to 150 grams of cheddar cheese. After the chicken is done, top it with cheese and tomatoes. And bake 10 more minutes. Serve the baked chicken and potatoes with vegetables or with a salad. Enjoy! I would greatly appreciate a comment below letting me know what you thought of the recipe. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.